My name's Paul Barnhill, and the reason we're interested in Stormflow is a couple of reasons. We like the fact that it's being used with rubber tires. We also like the fact that it pours over an existing surface, and they told us it's water permeable. That's exactly what we were looking for the sidewalk.
I'm Nico from Paver Restore Inc. and my wife and I started the company about 4 years ago. Our niche up to this point has really been lifting, relaying, and restoring interlocking stone. Clients have like porches or asphalt or concrete. We haven't been able to help them. So for two reasons: one, that the product's permeable and it's eco-friendly, and the other reason is that it just opens it wide up for us to be able to help, do driveways with asphalt or concrete.
We have patio tiles down the side. We thought, we'd like to recycle them in some way, and that's how we came upon Paver Restore. They actually use the Stormflow Surfacing. So it was through Nico, their owner, that told us about it, and we decided it was the best way, instead of trying to spend the money for, it was going to be almost twice the cost to resurface that with patio tiles, and we like the idea of the surface material better.
It's environmentally friendly, and the surfaces tend to last a lot longer. So far it's been awesome. It's a lot of fun to install too. It's very different. Like it's not as labor intense as doing pavers. It's a lot easier to install, and it's fun.